Hi, this is Tim Horn from MagTorch, and today I want to talk about safety. The first thing I want to talk about is using proper PPE. So it's always very important to wear gloves to protect from heat, and proper eye protection to protect your eyes. Next, I want to talk about your workspace. You always want to make sure your workspace is clear of any flammables. So if you have oily rags or cardboard or anything that could ignite, make sure it's completely clear before you start any work. Next, I want to talk about the torch attached to the cylinder. It's very important that you do not have leaks between your torch and your cylinder. These leaks can ignite and cause a flare-up, and this can be very dangerous. One way to do this is to put dish soap around where your torch connects to your tank and make sure that there's no bubbles. If you see bubbles, immediately take the torch off and contact our customer service at magtorch.com. Lastly, I want to talk about storage. So you always want to make sure that your torch is removed from your cylinder, and you also want to keep the cap that you got from your cylinder when you purchased it. You want to put the cap back on your cylinder. This cap will both protect the threads and also prevent any debris from getting inside of your cylinder that can clog up your torch. And then you want to store both of those in a cool, dry place. For more information, please reach out to us at magtorch.com.